bahayeng lem kisam lawat kampulen kibalasya kentaj dangshan dak Central Recruitment Board CRB hak arpusan teriguleber arja arpun rio kilawan mi shi office trekam ka Director General of Police DGP ke jela bandawa badai ban yo kalat ban papej banya haki doktor lani ka remedification hadien baka board kala kentaj ye kita kisamla hak nongrem bakim dai kibasat baklan ni kibadan hapadeng ke jingbam biang ka bor yo i Uway na gibahayeng ulaong bahaka arpusan tarik rempang arjar arpun rio kalami ke result na kabenta kiba apply kam haka tanat pulet ke jela bat haka ke result don na preng jongki kiba syabat no bat kate ke jing syabat no jongki laong badai na kadaw ban le ke jing pet penya piang da ki doktor ki jing pen shisha na ki pulet bat ki kot kisla ulaong bala ai por nyosngi yakini ki samla ban lemi sha office ka CRB ban yo ke jing pen syai baki syak kentaj laong baki la lej haka arpusan tarik uleber arjar arpun rio lapau haki kai pot kubor baka tanat pulet ke biang yaki haka arpusan tarik uleber arajar pun rio bat kumta kila lej poi sha office CRB Henry ke jubab baki samla ki yo ka long bej baki la syak kentaj na ka kam bat kim yo kumta na ka jingbam hun kila wan poi sha office DGP banyakran bat udaltan P Marak IPS chairman jongka board bat kiwe pat ki he pulet hak baki la batai yaki daw baklem pha le ke jing pej banya biang ki doktor Shushu uniu bahayeng ulaong badai ban sya ban papej banya haki doktor kumbasya yakiwei pat
Ngiwan hang ni jingsanga ngadai u hinmen jong u para janga u ba basya reject jong kene ka present recruitment jong kine ki Meghalaya Police te kumba natip manga hak to arpusan terik jong u Februari kadai benai bala adep ka result jong kene ka present recruitment ka bementa kala mi te hang to ki donru ki kena rengkat bat uneu para janga basya with health bat ketu kijing with health jongki kila tho hang to ba nakadaw ban le further remedication police verification bat document verification te menin taki hang to hi ki ai por sa nyau sngi yakine ki kena ban le mi dalade hapo CRB hang te ha mauro nagabenta ke ai ka daw baki sya reject tenda kala po hang te kala sim ki kerteng jongki kala pha kala kren ki ke ai ka ba ka police department ke dai ban kren te hadien ke to pat menin ngi kumba philai i ha ki social media lene kini ki khubor ba ka police department khamtam kene ka recruitment board kala pami sakwai ka notice ba kala khot yakine ki basya with helmet kene ban lek mi support CRB te menim step ngiwan nang tena CRB ngang awan lang rengkat bat ini para janga bat ki donru ki kena angto melumala ki don kumba arpaungut ta hadin kuto kila rung angto ki khot ki marwai kila rung hangto hi ki ong ba ki direct ba kila sya reject na kene ka kam ta kemut bakini kim yokshu ya kene ka kam ka baki ka kadang yaj mata te hangto ngim yahun kamtam lengi bahayeng ngim yahun nakadaw bangim yahun umban se ngi haban mi wan mi session ne sapo kene ka IGP DGP office tengi meneng la yo ekran ni Sar Dalton but i Sar la kadoru udon lang te hangto kila batai kene ki candidate sangut ngi lek hangut ngi mdai ki candidate ngi de bahayeng jong candidate te ki don langut ki candidate anto i Sar Dalton but i Sar la kador kila batai ki ne kadaw baki balai baki claim ai ki balle remedication fi kalong kumne ye ki vei ki case ki claim ki sha ki balle remedication ndai ye kini ki kena angne ki basya reject pede kim ai lat ki balle remedication te kapon jengi kalong kumne ken balai bakim ai lat ye ki niru ki basya reject ne balle remedication kum baki ai lat ki to ki vei ngasngau ba ki donru i vei i candidate i thu ba donru ki ba ki la dep call menin hi but kita directly kim don kamshu banwan report kito ki kena basya with help menin ki donru ki bala yo ka call ki ba kim don kamshu banwan setay takum kita ki case ngimtip ki ailat ki banle remedical ne ngimtip rai ye kini ki case balai kimsha kata ngabu jengkli ya ke sarkar ke badai ban pek kami ya ke kam bat kumju ru ya ke police department ngam keren yang ni ban keno ya police department ne ya ke ya ke sarkar ke pek ya ke police department rei ka jengkli jenga kalong balai bapim ai lat wal ada pi reject iki hagno kono ka bentaru balai bapim ai lat iki ban le remedication mene ngila one of office bat ki ong ba kini ki candidate kila ban appeal po CRB kin ai ki form pendap nang to ya ketu ko form kin sa pha sekini ki higher medical board kam dei su ketu ko board ba reject ikine kata kala dai kam halor ba kata ka appeal kin pha ka government ada ka bat ke government kan sa jit ikito ki higher medical board ban check ini ke case ki ada ka pediang ye ketu ke case choki ban le remedical kila la ban le remedical ngai la ka board ketu ka higher board kam pediang kemut kini kin sa syak reject bai ta kini hikan tip menta ki kwa ayu nang ne sakmat ki kwa ban su syak reject kumne ne ki kwa ayu maybe I need to speak in English also because we in Meghalaya we have our brothers even here now with us there are two candidates who are Garos, so and also there are some maybe who are in the department who cannot understand Khasi properly. I want to say that on 25th of February the CRB has declared the result, and there are some candidates who are being withheld, and those candidates are called to come to the office, and they have gone to the office and they told them what to do, and yesterday and then they give them days also, how many days they have to go and meet and have to do the process for those who are being withheld. And yesterday another notification came from the CRB, and then in that notification they mentioned there clearly that those who are being withheld, please come to the CRB office and then get the clarification from the office. But to my surprise, when I reached there with my brother, instantly few of them got rejected without giving them a chance to go for remedication. So my point here is that if other cases of these withheld candidates are allowed to go for the remedication, why these few candidates here are not being allowed to go for remedication? So if you remember, for the notification, it is clearly stated that these withheld candidates, they are being withheld for further remedication, police verification, and document verification. But that remedication part is not given to this candidate, who are few of them are standing here behind me. So my question is, why are they not allowed? So I think not only me, so all those people who are falling in the same cases, to know clearly from the government, why are they not being allowed to go for remedication? That's all I have to say.
Tapi la ban batai nge ke ai kadau baki shau ke thela to ki thu ne ki batai ne
Kum kidon ki case ke baki ong ba kene ka partially color blindness kawai dan ru kito ki baki ong baki kabaya dai bat kejat kejeng kejat kila don hi ha ko criteria jong ki ru henrai ka question kelong ba balai kim sha yiki ban le remedication Umar ba ipek ba ketuk kadai tang partial tempat long fully pat ngasnyo ba kini ki candidate ru kila ong ba ketuk kesni ba kile remedication ru kile thurmur amlong ndai ra bale thurmur long kile long kembali kerki nomor bala bun pelat tenrei balai ken ba kem ai yakini yaki kalat le remedication takatahi ka wai kadai partial color blindness hak ba dai bat kujing vi khmat dat kidang don ru bun ki ba dai bat khmat to bang la ban ban ong pi minta ban thu pi henrei ba pi page ka to ka notification jaki tharai kala ka to ka don ke documents baki ai hapor ki tep kala don ang to mut ki to hi ki daw bat ka wei kalong ka ba nakine kingat kedai ka partial color blindness bat ya kita ki ong baik bakabut kam sya re ki ban late pre-medical tang ka cingkli jonga balai ken bam sya
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayen la aikan diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F mentah kasni
lawan